Hello friends, I'm back with another robot in another episode of QurioREaCH, Robotics for every child. And I'm your host, Flight Lieutenant Manoj Zamsandekar, Founder Director, Qurious Mind Infotainment Private Limited. I'm going to make a new robot today. It is as exciting as what we made last week. And what I'm going to use? I'm going to use QurioREaCH kit. Where can you find this kit? You can find this kit at our business partners who are located all across Goa. You can find their locations, you can find their address, phone numbers on our website www.curiousmind.co.in. Rush to them, ask for QurioREaCH Robotics kit. You get the kit, watch this video and make exciting robots every week. Today we are going to make a boy jumping on a trampoline. Sounds exciting? Yes, it is. And let's start making it. So what we need for this? We need 2 C plates, 2 double bars, 1 square plate, 2 single bars, 1 big gear, a few flat rotators, flat connectors, L connectors, bolts, nuts, flat shaft locks, spacers, a motor with a motor shaft, a wheel, and then to operate it we need one remote control, a wire, we also need an axle, and we need screwdriver and spanner, and we also need a prop, a boy who's going to jump on our trampoline. So let me keep this aside and start making boy jumping on trampoline. For that we'll use these C plates to form a base, and I'm going to connect the double bar to these C plates. But before that let me connect the motor. So to connect motor we know we have to extend the shaft. The motor screws have metal rings called as washers. We have to keep the screw and washer safely. And now I will attach this motor. Here I am going to connect this motor in this place, in this vertical slit. In this horizontal slit. One screw will be put in this horizontal slit, another screw will be put into this vertical slit. Now you must be aware that when motor screws, they have to go in very smoothly. If they are not going in smoothly, that means there is some alignment issue. You have to first take care of the alignment issue and then put the motor screws. You should not force the motor screws inside. Okay, so that way we have put the motor, and now I am going to connect this double bar to increase the height a little bit. I am going to use 2 nuts and bolts. One here, one on this side. I'm finding it difficult to put it this side. Maybe I'll put here, doesn't matter. And let's tighten it. Similarly, on this side also I am going to attach this double bar. And tighten using spanner and screwdriver. Now I have to join them together. I have to join these together using this square plate, and this square plate I am going to attach using the flat connectors. Tighten the flat connector. The square plate on that, and again connect using a nut. Similarly, one more this side I'll put. Tighten. And again this side as well, exactly same way. I'm going to keep this loose. Once I tighten the second one, I'm going to tighten that. Okay, so let me tighten this. And put one more. Okay, so this is the base of a trampoline ready. Now we are going to create the gear assembly for the same. So we'll take the big gear, we'll take 1.5-inch bolt, we'll attach 1.5-inch bolt onto the big gear. The head is on to the side where there is a big circle, the tail is on to the side where there is a small circle, and we'll tighten it. Okay, so this is the gear assembly ready. We'll make the push-pull rod. We have to use a flat rotator, attach one end with nut bolt and keep the one hole free. And now here, while securing, I put an aligner bolt. So let me do this. Okay, and now I'm going to put this on the motor shaft and secure it, and put this down here. Now it touches the side, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this way the hole should be down. Made a small change. I'm putting the hole down. So let me check now. Yes, it works fine. Now on to this, I'm going to attach one more 1.5-inch bolt. Okay, I'm going to put it here. This I might have to change, so I'm going to put a little loosely. Based on my final alignment, I have to take it up or down, so we'll check that. So I'll keep it here. One more single bar, we have to attach it here like this using L connector. So let me attach the L connector first here. Between these two bolts, I'm going to attach this L connector. It's going into a little difficult position, so let me first hold the nut and then screw the bolt here. That works nicely. And tighten it using the spanner. I'm holding it with spanner and going to tighten it using the screwdriver. And then attaching this single bar here with bolt head outside here and tail inside. Okay, so we are almost to the end of this robot. I hope you are able to do it along with me. You can't? Oh, you don't have the kit. So what you should do? Yes, you should look for the address of our business partner onto our website www.curiousmind.co.in. Locate the business partner which is close to you, go to them and buy QurioREaCH kit. You can watch these videos on the YouTube channel as well. Okay, now let's see whether our alignment is okay. So I'm going to put this here and I'm going to put this inside here. Okay, and going to attach a nut for just for a moment. I'm going to attach a nut here. Okay, and rotate this and check whether this goes up and down properly within that. Oh, it is touching a little bit, so I need to take a little bit up. Okay, if I take it here, what happens? Let me check. Yes, perfectly. So I need a little up. So I'll put this little up, this one, and tighten it. Not exactly at the end of this slit. This slit, not exactly at the end, a little up from that end. A little up. Okay. And now if I take it up and down, now it goes smoothly. Okay. So actually we are done with our robot. We have small thing which is, we'll use this wheel as if this is a trampoline. So for that we are going to attach this axle and put it down here and lock it using a shaft lock. This will act like our trampoline. So I am going to put it from both sides. Okay. And what we need now? We need our boy, our hero. And the boy will be put onto this bolt like here, and he has to go up and down. So what we do? First take this bolt at the extreme down position. This is the extreme down position. And now align the boy's feet with the trampoline. So it comes here, and that is the place where I want a hole. Okay, and I'm going to put this boy his nose. Okay, and I'm going to put one nut there. Okay, and now what happens? Let's see. Operate it and let's see. We have forgot to put here spacers, so yes, I need a spacer here, 2 of them, and then I'll put it through the hole here and lock using a nut but loosely coupled. And let's see our boy jumping on the trampoline. For that we'll use remote. We'll connect the wires of the remote. While doing that, hold your thumb behind the connector because we are going to push the wires, and then ensure that you have 4 cells with correct polarity put here. Connect this plug into the remote socket, and then second end of the wire has to be put on the motor. Again, while putting the wire, we have to hold the connector from behind. This is very important. I keep on telling that every week because that's an important thing. I've connected the wires, connected this. There is our trampoline ready, our boy ready, and let's see how our boy jumps on the trampoline. Oh, he's jumping on a trampoline. Does it look nice? Yes. You can create many such robots using this movement. Not only this, there can be many robots which you can create using the same movement. Okay, I want you to see once again. You can make use of this motion and create many such robots. Okay. I hope you love this robot. There is one competition which you should be aware of. And what is that competition? Buy the QurioREaCH kit, make robot from your own imagination. Not the robot which is shown on the TV or not the robot which is shown in the manual, but from your own imagination. Make a 15-second video of that and send your photo, that video to WhatsApp number. And where you get the number is on our website www.curiousmind.co.in. Send your video. If we like the robot, you get 3 prizes. 1, your video and your photo will be uploaded on all our social media handles. Second, you'll get a nice Curious Mind t-shirt. And third, you'll get to sit here in the studio along with me. Isn't that exciting? Then don't wait. Go to our business partners, buy the QurioREaCH kit, make robot, send video, and come and sit here. We'll come back with another exciting robot next week. Till then, happy making.